Is a rug suitable for homes with babies? Comprehensive guide. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for maintaining your home. In today's video, we'll be discussing whether a rug is suitable for homes with babies. Rugs can add warmth and texture to a room, but they also come with some potential safety concerns when it comes to babies. In this comprehensive guide, we'll help you decide whether a rug is the right choice for your home. The first thing to consider when deciding whether a rug is suitable for your home with babies is the type of rug. It's important to choose a rug made from materials that are safe for babies, such as wool or cotton. Avoid rugs made from synthetic materials as they can release harmful chemicals. Next, consider the size and placement of the rug. It's important to choose a rug that's large enough to prevent slipping or tripping hazards, but also not too large that it covers the entire room. Consider placing the rug in an area where your baby won't be crawling or playing. Another important consideration is the texture of the rug. Choose a rug with a flat or low pile texture to prevent your baby from tripping or getting its fingers caught in the fibers. It's also essential to keep the rug clean to prevent the buildup of dust and dirt, which can cause respiratory issues for babies. Regularly vacuum the rug and spot clean any spills or stains immediately. Finally, if you decide to use a rug in your home with babies, consider adding a non-slip rug pad underneath it to prevent slipping or sliding. Conclusion: using a rug in a home with babies can be safe and beneficial if done correctly. Be sure to choose a rug made from safe materials. Consider the size and placement of the rug. Choose a low pile texture. Keep the rug clean, and consider adding a non-slip rug pad. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks for maintaining your home.